Alright, this is going to be last bullet catch. It's going to be 9mm, 147 grain Hydra shock. Standard pressure. About 1,000 feet per second out of 4-inch barrel. Let's see what we got. Hydra shock. 15 feet. See what we got. It's pretty good shot placement. Went in pretty good, in and out. Swap camera angles now. Looks like I made it to the 4th jug. It's pretty nice. 147 grain Hydra shizzle. Let's see what we got. Alright, first jug. Stop these from leaking right quick. We got first jug. In and out. Got second jug. Went in, exit hole right here. Got third jug. Went clean in, exited right there. And then we got bullet capture right here in the 4th jug. Let's see what we got. See what we got. That one's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Alright, let's check it out. Got the 147 grain Hydra shock front. Side view's pretty good. Back's pretty good. Did work, expanded pretty nice. Only went 4 jugs. Didn't even lose it this time. 147 grain Hydra shock 9mm.